Everyone, welcome to AM Career Solutions. So, yes, in the previous video, I have said you about the investment options or investment vehicles, or you can say it as investment tools. So, मैं आपको बता दिया है कितना टाइप का इन्वेस्टमेंट है ही also. Like short term investment, long term investment, or middle term investment. Short term investment is the investment tools that you are using for more than within 1 year, that we can you can call it as short term investments. Long term investment, if we will talk about that, if it is more than 2 year, 3 year, or 5 year, up to 10 year, 15 year, 25 year, or something like that. So today we will know what are these investment tools and how you will invest that, and if you will invest, how much interest you will get, or how much profit you will get, or whatever the thing may be, and we will know one by one separately. Okay. So before starting my topic, I want to say that if you are forgetting to subscribe my video, first subscribe my video, watch the video till end. ओके पूरा लास्ट तक देखिए क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. नॉट ओनली इट इज फॉर योर कैरियर और while you are facing going to face the interviews, but also it is required for your life, because investment is a part of life which will give you or will face an extra part of return than the savings part when you are keeping it in the bank's account. Okay, so let us start. So the first one is the short term investment. Okay, so what are the short term investment tools? Like I have said you in the previous video, the video investment tools that you are selecting to use to invest and you are expected the return within 1 year, that is short term investment tools. These are specially, or otherwise you can call it as a temporary investment also, because this is for temporary period and you are not keeping it for permanently. Okay, so what are the short term investment tools? Like bank deposits, fixed deposit also you can say, because if within 1 year also you can make a fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is something that means you are giving your lump sum amount to a बैंक. एक ही साथ में 10,000 बैंक को दे दो और 1 लाख रुपया दे दो, और एक साल में आपको वो 7 to 8% इंटरेस्ट उसका आपका ऊपर देगा. 7 to 8% जनरली फिक्स्ड, 6% भी कोई कोई देता है, लेकिन also someone is getting 8-9% also, but it's very rare. Okay, that is fixed deposit. Fixed deposit means you have to give once and that will be fixed, and within that period of time you will be not able to withdraw that money from the bank. Okay, if you withdraw that money, then you will be charged a sort of type of a fine, you can say, like 1% or 2% or exit charge that you can say. So that is what we can call it as fixed deposit. Okay, that means it is fixed, a deposit that is fixed for some time period. Then we will come back to recurring deposit. Recurring deposit is also another short term investment tool also, you can say. Also it is a long term investment tool, but it will be fetch a better return or in long term when you are keeping it. Like recurring deposit is like something you have paid once, like it is a, you can say that is also SIP, like systematic investment plan in a mutual fund, like you are giving every month. Suppose आपके पास आपका सैलरी है 30,000, आप सब खर्च जाके आपके पास बचता है अभी 10,000 सपोज. सो 10,000 से आप एवरी महीना 5,000 इन्वेस्ट करना कहाँ पे चाहते हैं? You do not have knowledge about in these things where to invest on. You can make a fixed deposit, recurring deposit. If you invest in SIP, there may be some risk, but if you are doing recurring deposit in a bank, it will be considered as safe. Okay, and it will give you the 4 to 6% return. 4 to 6%. Remember it. That means एवरी मंथ आप 5,000 देके चलेंगे. सपोज 12 मंथ आपको दिया एक साल में, तो आपको कितना दिए? 5 into 12, that is 60,000 in 1 year, and that will, if you withdraw that money after 1 year, then you will get along with the 6% interest with your money that you have invested, like 60,000. Okay, so 4 to 6% जनरली इंटरेस्ट रहता है रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट में. कोई में 6.5% रहता है अगर आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा अमाउंट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो. Let us come back to mutual fund. Also another thing that you can also say it as a short term investment tool, that is liquid mutual fund. Liquid mutual fund is like just you are keeping money in your saving accounts or bank accounts or something like that. That means you can withdraw any point of time. Actually, you know what? It is also something like that. You are keeping money in your saving account, so you will be opening an account in the mutual fund, and that's to be in the liquid sector, where the mutual fund is investing that money in some types of liquid instruments or money market instruments, I can say. So that is related to liquid schemes of the mutual fund. So actually आपको ये समझ में नहीं आएगा शायद अभी, तो मैं जब म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में बताऊंगा तो इसके बारे में डिटेल आपको बता दूंगा. Okay, then we let us come to money market instrument. Money market instrument रे first आता है कि certificate of deposit. Okay, so certificate of deposit is something like that. What you know? So money market instruments especially are the short-term financing instruments that is aiming to increase the financial liquidity of the business. The main characteristic of this type of security is that they can be converted into cash easily. That means if you are investing in money market instruments, that you can convert it to cash very easily. It will not take a long period of time. So you can say that it is also a short-term investments. How can you invest in the money market instruments like certificate of deposit or what we can say that is commercial paper or treasury bill or something like that through a broker, through a mutual fund or through a bank also. You can deposit in money market instruments. So the first one I will tell you that is certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit means it is a deposit where you are lending. It is a type of lending of financial resources to an organization that can be done using a certificate of deposit. Suppose you know what, you are depositing in a company. Suppose a company requires fund, कंपनी को पैसा की जरूरत है और वो कि आप उसमें डिपॉजिट करना चाहते हैं, लाइक इन यू आर डिपॉजिटिंग इन ए बैंक, यू विल बी डिपॉजिटिंग इन ए कंपनी. Okay, so against that the company will give you a certificate against your deposit, that is known as certificate of deposit, which faces also a fixed rate of interest like 4 to 6% I can say. Okay, so the operating procedure is similar to the fixed deposit like you are doing in the bank. You have deposited it for like 1 year, 2 year or 3 year or something like that. Okay, but it has lower liquidity compared to other things that is available in the money market, but it has high negotiating capacity. Then let us come to commercial paper. Okay, so commercial paper is this type of money market instrument serves as a promissory note. It's like promissory note by a company especially to raise short-term funds. When a company is requiring short-term funds, like suppose आपको कंपनी में वर्किंग कैपिटल का जरूरत है, उसको डे टू डे खर्च करने के और मेंटेनेंस करने के लिए उसको पैसे का जरूरत है फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो वो कहाँ से पैसा का उठाएगा? इक्विटी शेयर तो नहीं डालेगा कि डेट में डायरेक्ट डिवेंचर नहीं इश्यू करेगा क्योंकि दैट इज फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म पीरियड. तो क्या करता है, कमर्शियल पेपर इश्यू करता है कंपनी. उसके पास वो कंपनी का कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर होता है, जो पेपर वो देता है अगेंस्ट दैट इट इज राइजिंग मनी और इसके बदले में आता है. लाइक आपको पता होगा पहले जमाने में सर्टिफिकेट देकर लोन लाते थे. तो कैसा है, एक्चुअली आप सर्टिफिकेट डिपॉजिट करते हैं क्योंकि आपका वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है और आप उसको जरूर लेंगे. अगेंस्ट दैट आपको कुछ मिलता था, मनी मिलता था आपके. उसके बाद आप टोटल मनी रिफंड करते थे विथ इंटरेस्ट, देन यू विल गेट योर सर्टिफिकेट. लाइक दिस कंपनीज कमर्शियल पेपर आर ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. When company are issuing commercial papers, that means they are very important to them, so they will again take that from you. So you will be depositing or you are giving money. That means company is requiring that, and you will give money to the company. Against that, you will be receiving commercial papers. Actually, generally, commercial papers are not considered safe when it is you are taking from the what we can say that the small cap company or mid cap company. So commercial papers are generally considered to be safe if you are taking it from large cap companies. Large cap companies with large capitalization. So what are the large cap companies? I will tell you in the another video, because this is a part of also mutual fund, because mutual fund, large cap fund are also there. Okay, large cap company, you can say they are the also blue chip company or something which is in the fast index in the Sensex or what we can say that Nifty. Okay, the maturity period of commercial paper is 7 to 1 year. So it attracts a lower interest rate. So commercial paper having very low amount of interest rate. Okay, that is equivalent to actually than other instruments that is available in the short term investment or money market instruments. Okay, so let us come to the treasury bill. What is treasury bill? So actually generally this is the bills that is issued by especially RBI or through the bankers. Like these securities do not generate interest but allow an investor to make capital gains as it is sold at a discount rate. Especially the treasury bills are issued at a discount rate so that you can sell them later at the fixed price that is written in that security or treasury bill. So you can get a capital gain there. So here you are not getting any interest, you are getting the short term capital gain, you can say like that. Okay, so it's actually generally it is issued at a discounted prices and you can sold it as its face value. Okay, so treasury bills are an optional investment tool for not especially short-term investors looking for options having minimal risk, because treasury bill, you can say this is the lowest risk instruments. The instruments, money market instrument having lowest risk, we can say it as a treasury bill. Okay, So as it is backed by the government, so default risk is negligible, or you can say there is no default risk in treasury bill. So serving as an optimum investment tool for risk averse investors, like means those investors who are not interested to take much risk, they can invest in treasury bills. So these are especially the treasury bills are considered to be very safe. Okay, then repurchase agreement you can say, or you can commonly known as repo you can say also. It is also short term borrowing tool where the user or issuer availing the funds guarantees to repay in the future. Okay, so it is specially a short term borrowing tool where issuer, one who want to issue that, will avail the funds that and also give the guarantee to repurchase it in the future. So especially repurchase agreements generally involve the trading of government securities. So just remember it is nothing but trading of government securities. Okay, so they are subject to market interest rate and backed by the government. So especially repurchase agreement are specially backed by the government and having some market interest rate you can say. Okay, then bankers acceptance. One of the most common money market instrument traded in the financial sector is banker acceptance, that signifies the loan extended to a bank specially, which with a signed guarantee of a repayment in the future. That means you have to sign that and you will be repayment that payment in the future. Like since money market instruments are traded wholesale over the counter, it cannot be purchased in standard units by an individual investors. So you can choose to invest in money market instruments through a money market mutual fund. So it is better if you will invest in the money market mutual fund especially, because you cannot purchase one or two or something like that, as it is not available like that. Okay, तो फॉर होम स्पेशली द शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट टूल्स और मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सो ये किसके लिए, कौन सा टाइप का इन्वेस्टर के लिए है कि मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स और शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट टूल्स. स्पेशली द इन्वेस्टर्स हु आर न्यू टू द फील्ड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, that means they do not have so much knowledge, they do not have so much money, or they do not have a strong background, they are not willing to lose their money. So especially they do not have a capacity to take large amount of risk. They can invest in the money market instruments or short term investments, so that they will be not losing their money in a large amount. Okay, are you getting that? What is money market instrument or short term investments tools? So I have completely elaborated what are the short term investment tools and money market instruments, like a certificate of deposit, so repurchase agreement, bankers acceptance, treasury bill, recurring deposit, fixed deposit, and other things, or liquid mutual fund you can say. So also I will tell you more about the liquid mutual fund. That is a very interesting part when I will be uploading the video of a mutual fund also. Okay, so for today now this much. Okay, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, actually according to me this is a very important video for your career as well as it is for your life also you can say. Okay, so must watch the video till end. Completely देखिए, skip मत कीजिए and stick to it. When I'm going to upload also, now I'm going to upload the video about long-term investment tools. Okay, I will be elaborating all the long-term investment tools in a very elaborate way. So wait for that. Okay, so अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, if you like this video, so शेयर कीजिए जिसको ज़रूरत है, and subscribe कीजिए. Don't forget to subscribe that and watch the full video. If you have any queries, comment down below. Thank you.